As hot as Ricardo Milos, as evil as Dio Brando. I think that is him.
Ricardio at your service. Mwah.
Yes, today we are making a plushy Ricardio. To make a pattern for the plushie, first I am sketching a shape of the heart, and to make it symmetrical I draw just a half of the heart, folding paper in the middle and cutting it out. So when the shape is settled, I am also sketching a face with all of the details, including wrinkles, and later I will use it as a guideline. Then I'm cutting out of the red fabric 2 hearts, 2 arms and 2 legs. To get a pattern for eyes and teeth, I'm cutting them from the sketch with a knife and then cutting these details out of felt. As in my previous video with the mint butler, I am going to use interfacing, but here it will get a new use. With the pencil I draw a face on it, adding the wrinkles, nose and lips. And then fixing it on the wrong side of the main detail with a bunch of pins to prevent it from moving. Using the pencil lines as a guideline, I am stitching features of the face with the sewing machine. Then I also attached eyes, teeth and eyebrows with zigzag stitches. Now the face is ready to be stuffed. The space between the main material and interfacing I am using as pockets to shape the face. To prevent the immigration of the filling, I closed openings with hand stitches that are invisible from the right side. Now he can be washed without any risk of losing form. The same way I created the butt on the other side. I also make little cuts along the curvy parts of arms and legs. It will help to get a smooth line along the seam after turning the details inside out. When the legs are stuffed, I am fixing them on the back first with pins and then with the sewing machine. Same thing goes for the arms. And now I finally put it all together. While sewing, don't forget to leave a hole for turning him inside out. In my case, I left too small of an opening, but I was able to handle it anyways. Oh jeez. Ta-da! And when he is stuffed, I have decided to underline mouth and nose with hand stitches. And around the eyes I fixed the bend to make the line more decent, like with mint button. Irises were stitched by hand as well. To make the blue of the eyes more interesting, I used two different shades. And here he is, ready to cut your heart out and make out with it.